Hey guys, what's going on? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and I am jumping on here real quick to do a very quick haul, getting ready to go to dinner with my family, and tomorrow is our NFL draft football party, like the online kind of thing that my husband and my family do, and so there's a couple things in here that I need to use, and so let's hurry up and get started, okay? So obviously, I just bought these little football things. I'll show you a video tomorrow. Maybe I'll link it with this video. I don't know, of what it looks like the decorations and stuff. So I did just buy this mainly for the goalpost, and they do suction cup to the table. So I liked that part of it. Much easier than trying to build my own goalpost. So I picked up 2 of those. I did pick up these. I picked up 3 packages of these favor boxes. There's 5 in there. I wanted them black, but they're like a dark navy blue, or I wanted them like a grass green, but they had a lime green. So I picked these up because I'm going to put these out on the table with vegetables and stuff in them, so that it just gives more of an effect. Anyways, yeah. Obviously, I picked up a green rectangle tablecloth. I'm going to put some white tape across it, make some yard lines, things like that. I picked up the green solo cups kind of things. There's 16 in here, and there's 16 fluid ounces, but I don't care what ounces they are because I'm going to just put tape on here and make it look like football or yard signs or whatever, you know, whatever. And then I'm going to put the utensils, which is in one of these baskets, I think. So I'm just going to put the utensils in here. And so I got those. And then let me keep going with the party before I show you like the good stuff. I'm trying to keep it kind of in line. So I was kind of sad I couldn't find brown because I wanted it like green and brown, but I found gold, so I guess that's kind of the same. I don't know. So this is just the 20 luncheon party napkins in gold. And then I did find the 48 heavy duty plastic utensils in gold. It's gonna be better, but then this is where I ran into the problem. They didn't have green or gold in the plates, so I got white. So I'm kind of sad about that. But anyways, I'll show you the picture tomorrow. Hopefully I can make it look cute. So I did just pick up the 9-inch, 2 of them, 20 each plates. So that's kind of for my party. And then I was like going to make this Heisman Trophy thing. And then I was like, wait, my kids have played football for years. So I'm just going to put their football trophies on the table, and it's going to be used as decor. And then afterwards, I'll just put it back on their trophy thing. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll show you guys tomorrow. And then this, I'm just looking, I think that's all for that party. I did pick up just these, the foam brushes. There is 8 in here. If you saw one of my other hauls, I have actually they're right here. The Dollar Tree paint brushes. These are the biggest piece of crap. They come in 3. I did not like these. They were crap. So I picked up some of the foam paint brushes, and then when I had gone to the 99-cent store the other day, I picked up just the regular paint brushes. Got those. And then, let me just show you real quick. I did just pick up one of the Acrology Premium Acrylic Paint in white because I was running out, and I am going to start doing more crafting, I think. So this is just 4 fluid ounces, so I got that. And this is just the metal words. There's 3 pieces. It says thankful, harvest, and welcome. I want to do just, and they're very thin, so be careful. I'm going to put this on a wreath that I'm going to do for my front door. I do not do mesh wreaths because me and mesh do not get along. I cannot stand mesh. I'm sorry, so I'm going to do like a rad kind of wreath. So I'll show you guys. I got more fabric, which I'm very excited about. This is the candy corns, and the colors are beautiful. And so the fabric quarters are 20 by 21 inches. I mean, those colors are so pretty. And then I got just like some skeletons, but look at this guy. The Frankenstein, he is so cute. And then the colors are so bright, so I'm not sure. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but yeah, I might make a tutu or something out of them, or a wreath, I'm not sure. So hot in my garage. And so our neighbor's AC, I guess the motherboard went out, and I live in Arizona, and it's like 100 degrees every single day. So they were like, hey, do you guys have any fans we can borrow? So they borrowed my craft room fan, which, I'm in my garage, so there's no air or anything out here. And so I don't have a fan right now, but I would die if there wasn't air conditioning in my house, so we just let them borrow it. They'll have it for a couple of weeks, so I'm just gonna have to die and complain about being hot for a couple of weeks, but oh well. Anyway, so I got these for a giveaway because if you guys watched my other video, I hauled the gnome fabrics. I'm sorry, the ribbon. I think there was 4 of them, and I'm going to put them together with these. And this is going to be a very soon giveaway, like very, very soon. This giveaway actually might be put out even before this video gets put out. I'm not sure. But anyways, this is just the oven mitts because I mean, I have to get it out for Halloween, right? Like, I cannot be late. So here's the one oven mitt. So when you put your hand in, and then these are the pot holders, and there's 2 of them with the gnomes. So I'm going to put together a little gnome giveaway and start that as soon as possible. And finally, yeah, I'm killing it running through this thing. I got some of these absolutely beautiful window clings, which I obviously messed up by leaving in the bag too long, but let me just show you. So this one has 12 pieces. And I want to put these on some wood and probably put them like in my front area. At my front door, it's covered. And so I just want to really decorate a lot this year. We worked very hard to get this house and to get where we are right now. And I love decorating anyways, but I just really, really want to this year. So anyways, I look at these pumpkins. This is my favorite. The welcome home. I love that. So there's that one. And then they had so many. I got this one. I don't know if I'm 100% fond of this one. I like the sweater weather. That one says pumpkin spice. This one right here says fall breeze, autumn leaves, hello fall. I kind of like it. They had so many more. Now I'm like, I probably should have gotten one of the other ones, but I don't know. This one is my favorite. It's the last one. First of all, I don't know if you guys know, but I'm just doing one real quick. Ooh, sorry, my husband is like, time to go. So anyways, this is my favorite color. Absolutely beautiful. Love it, love it. So I loved this one. This is 12 pieces, but they're all different sayings. So I can get different blocks or whatever I want and just Mod Podge them on there. So this, I'm going to have just little signs all over my house, all over. So excited. So it just says like, hey rides, gobble gobble, hello pumpkin, I am so stuffed, sweater weather, this way, time to get your fat pants on, farm fresh pumpkins. So anyways, I absolutely love this, love it. So anyways, guys, that is, I just was looking around to make sure, that is my really quick haul. Again, I really want to get it done tonight because tomorrow I'm going to really be working on trying to get everything ready for the little party, and I will just kind of give you guys a quick overview tomorrow right before it's done and show you guys kind of what I did. So I hope everyone is having a great day, and please don't forget about my channel changing as of September 1st. I will be doing my first giveaway with 23 calendar. I'm sorry, it's going to be 1 calendar per week. So, but I have 23 calendars to give away, plus the gnome stuff that you just saw, plus other stuff. So I will be putting them together and showing you guys the giveaway soon. So please make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit that bell so that you know when I upload a video so that you can be my next winner. I hope that everyone is having a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye guys.